morning, YouTube. Dropped One Strange Journey. So we're starting the week off with a bang here. My tires. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. This back one has gone flat on me a couple times. If you can see, there wasn't much tread left at all on these guys. So I did some research, decided to get a brand new set of tires. They ain't cheap, $300 a piece. But these seem like they'd be some good ones for the snow, good ones for towing. They just got here. The amazing part is, I only ordered them on Saturday, and here it is Monday, and they're already here. I ain't never got nothing off Amazon this quick in years. What we're going with, the Cooper AT3 XLT, some 285 70 17s. Make sure I got the right size. 265 70 17, so I'm going a little bigger. Oh well. I think my old ones are closer to 31s, these ones are closer to 33s, so I'm okay with that. I'm worried it might lower the torque a little bit pulling. I think these will look better and they'll perform better in the snow. So anyways, getting ready to go to the co-op. Called them up, they can get me right in. I'll get these puppies thrown on. Difference in their sizes, you can kind of see. So definitely gonna be a little bit bigger, a little bit wider too. That's gonna look pretty sweet, I think. These puppies, go throw them on, huh? I told the co-op I'd be there in 20 minutes. I forgot I had a flat tire, so. Got this little Vibe air compressor. There we go. Fill her up. Ain't no way it's got 20 pounds in it. All right, finish clearing up. You can see how bad these back tires were. So, put that up there for comparison. A little bit bigger. Look at this darn town. Literally on Friday, we were 25 below zero and packed with snow. Now we're in the 50s. We were in the 50s on Saturday, the next day after the snow. Negative 25 all the way to positive 50 in 24 hours. Crazy temperature swings they have up here. Would never have guessed there's a massive snowstorm here just a few days ago. Here we are at the co-op. Let's go inside and get these babies swapped on. It needs it. All right, we're back. There she is. Looking good with her new shoes on. Man, that's a lot of tread. It's been a while. On the back too. We got one of my front tires swapped onto my spares because they were in good condition. Got a decent spare now. All right, look at that. Bites right onto that ice. I gave it a little gas a couple times and it just pulled ice right out of the freaking ground. So very nice. All right, one big chore down. So this is my first attempt at skirt steak. I've had it marinating for a couple days now, and not a couple days. It's been marinating for about 24 hours. Made a soy sauce, Worcester mixture or something. I've never done it before, so it's a real thin steak. It's a tough steak, so we're gonna put it on high and cook it fast for about 4 or 5 minutes per side. Let's go outside and put her on. All right, we got the Barbie up to about 400 degrees. A lot of the people that cook these go even hotter. I think I'll burn this thing down if I go much hotter. So let's give this a shot. We'll go with this. Let's do one and then the other. Woo. We're only gonna give it a couple minutes, so I'm gonna watch this little clock here. So we're at about 59 seconds. So I want my outside to be nice and really done well. Alright, I'm gonna flip it like that. Get it from 2 different threads. It's taking way longer than I wanted it to. Let's see, we've been on it for 7 minutes now. I think we're gonna do 10 minutes aside. Just gonna have to be what it's gonna be tonight. We'll test the limit on this thing. We'll see what she can do. I've turned this into a flaming freaking fireball on multiple occasions. So gets a little bit too much grease down there, poof, it just blows right up. So let's finish this guy out, and for the next one, we'll really crank her. Let's take a look where we're at here. Woo! All right, getting a little bit of bark on her. I like that, that looks good. Just put on some pure A5 beef tallow. Really got the grill going. All right. I think this one's good. We're gonna set her aside. Woo. think we need to flip it. I think it's cooking faster than it was before. Let's take a look. Flip it this way for a minute. All right, give her a couple minutes like that. I'm gonna put some tallow stuff in, mixed it with some garlic and jalapeno. This is what I'm using, Wagyu A5 beef tallow. I'll put a link in the description. Why are you back already? All right, we're gonna flame broil it. Here she's going. Let's check. We'll put that tallow on top, and I'd like to see it a little more cooked than that. Oh well, let's see what we can do. Look at this stuff. It's already completely solid again. Some good stuff. We are about ready. Let's see what we can do. Maybe flip it one more time. Maybe some of that beef tallow. Let's throw some of this on. It's gonna flare up here. Be ready. There you go, baby. Let's do it. Move. Woo. We are good. That's what we needed. All right, we can turn her all the way off. That's that tallow burning right there. Once you come back inside with it, put some tinfoil over it. That's that tallow on top. It's gonna soak in and make this a poor man's A5. A little bit more on this guy here. I'll bring you back in a sec once it's ready to cut. Let's cut this first guy up here. All right, one thing to note is the whatchamacallits, they're running this way on the meat. So we want to cut it this way.
What's the grain?
Yeah, the grain's running this way, so we want to slice it this way.
Robert was over by that tree.
Let's cut it down the middle once, so then we can make them half their size. Okay. Uh-oh, she's a little bit pink.
Ooh.
I think it'll be okay.
Good, I like pink. Me too.
Alright, so I know where Blake is.
Let's taste a little piece. All right, so not too bad. That's a flank steak. Let's look at that piece up close here. Bear stop.
Prove it.
There's a little tension on it still. The other one. Get ready to cut her down the
Good, Robert.
little strips of it.
Her steak, like, no, she.
I've never had a tail. Me?
You know, if I was allowed to say the N-word, I would.
Wednesday. Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? It's Tuesday afternoon. Here we are getting more snow. It's like 27 out, so much better deal than we had last time. There's Rocky. What are you doing, Rocky? Getting a little bit of snow, which is nice, but I kind of thought after this big freeze we were out of the woodwork for this for a little while. But there's Bear. What are you doing, Bear? Ready to go inside? You want to go inside? I'll bring dogs in. I'm like easy. All right, I'm gonna give Ian a drive to work. It's snowing, and when he works up the road. So here we go. Hopefully she still starts. Okay.
I thought he ran it over for a second.
All right, later. See if dogs missed us. Woo! Tell you what, I've said it a million times. This baby here keeps it nice inside. Mid 70s to 80s inside. Let's check real quick. Hey guys. 78 there. 76.3 there. I have one more somewhere else. Here she is. 72.3 over here. All right, we're off to go look at this truck for Brandon, his first car. I had to bring my truck over, swap it with Jen's car. Her car's a little better and a little nicer on the freeway, so we're gonna switch cars real quick. But here we're off to Shelby, Montana. All right, let's go. This is Shelby. We're going a little ways past Shelby, apparently. This is Shelby?
It should be.
Yeah, it says Shelby. All right, Brandon, go. Sure ain't much to it.
Yeah. We were supposed to stay right over there.
Yeah.
There's some Shelby over there. Much over there.
Hey, there's the...
This is officially as far north as I've ever gone.
See what car is down there. It's like a little hillbilly ass town. Right, look left before you turn. Go ahead and turn. Jeez, it is windy. Go, there's a trash can. Go pull up on that side somewhere.
Well, we had a bar.
That's where you wanted me.
Are we gonna go have some cold beer?
Yeah. Bunch of oil things over there.
That's not
Whole car's shaking. It's kind of nice. Do you live up here? How far out of town from here do you live?
I live about 20 miles kind of east and south of here. I farm with my dad and my brother.
Oh, do you? What do you grow?
Springweed mainly.
Okay. Brennan works for the Montana University there. They grow all the seeds and everything, experiment with the seeds.
Yeah, we
Get up to speed. Go about 50, Brennan.
Yeah, no, we do like variety trials on spring wheat, winter wheat, and barley and stuff. And
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the kind of stuff that we're trying to figure out. What
All right, what do you think?
I like it. It drives pretty nice and shifts well and everything. And I just got to work on this, like, you know, the gas and everything. And
All right, we'll go a little slower on the way home because this might blow around on you a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, follow us. All right, let's go. Yep. Let's go to Shelby and go to the dollar store.
All right.
So follow me.
I want to go.
Hurry up. This wind is ridiculous here.
Yeah, I kind of saw it.
All right. Well, Brennan's back there in his new truck. Let's see if I can get him in focus. This wind is ridiculous. Watch this if I let go of the steering wheel. I can't even let go. It'll just blow us off the side of the road. Like 50-mile-an-hour winds. All right, we're gonna go into Shelby. Go to the dollar store.
363 towards Cut Bank.
Are you sure?
That's what it said. That's 364.
I feel like we should get off on this exit. Phone's away.
Glasgow Scotties.
What is that?
I know in oh yeah, they probably went somewhere far and they stopped here because they had to stay overnight.
When's the last time you've been to a dollar store?
Nevada.
It's been 6 months.
Yep.
This looks like a small dollar store. It's half of it's
Dollar.
Family Dollar and the other one's half dollar.
Should I stop?
I wonder where that camper is.
It was in the front.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw a few RVs.
This would have been ugly.